Hi, this is Ikanke from IkankeLive Inc., doing business as Tramas Auto School again. We're here to do our next in the series of videos that we're working on. So we went over right turns last video. Now we're going to tackle left turns. It's important to understand that there's two different types of left turns. You have a one-way left turn, you have a two-way left turn. Right? And your goal is to end up on the right part of the road, right? If you end up in the wrong part of the road, it's at least 10 points. If you turn in the wrong lane, but the lane is going in the same direction, they'll give you 10 points for being in the improper lane on the test. But if you end up on the wrong side of the road, that's an automatic fail. Right? If it's a two-way street and you're driving into oncoming traffic, that is going to be a possible accident. Anything on the test that can lead to an accident or a ticket is going to end up resulting in either an automatic fail or at least points, but more than likely an automatic fail. Right? And so that's what we want to avoid. Right? So when you're about to make a left turn, the very first thing you have to make sure of is it a one-way left turn or a two-way left turn? Right? That's going to make sure that you end up on the proper side of the road. Right? And so we're going to start going over that. So we're just sitting here on the side, and my son's going to quickly pull out, and then we're going to go up and make the next left turn. So my son is going to demonstrate left turns. We're at the side of the road, so we're going to pull out. So go ahead and do that. You always have to make sure it's safe before you come out. If there's 20 cars coming, you have to wait for all 20 cars. And then once it's clear, you can come out. Good. See, you checked this blind spot. Alright. So we're coming up on the stop sign here. So we have to make sure, and this is an all-way stop, and we're going to make this left turn. Alright. We have this lady crossing, so we just got to wait for her to go by. Pedestrians have the right of way at stop signs. We have another lady crossing over there. Alright. This car is coming, but it's an all-way stop, so we have the right of way. Alright, and we make the left turn. So if it's a one-way left, you're putting your mirror near the end of the sidewalk and doing one turn. Alright. We're gonna make this left turn again. This is a one-way left. I'm not sure what they're doing here, just blocking up the road. Alright. So we have another stop sign here. But if you notice, this one is a regular stop. So you really have to take your time after you stop and make sure you can see. So most of the traffic is coming this way. So we're making sure nothing is coming. You can start turning the wheel and then start going. All right. So watch this guy coming in front of us. And we're looking to see, is anybody coming? And no. So now we can continue. Alright. So we're going to go to the stop sign and make a left again. Alright, so signal. And again, this is an all-way stop. Alright. Stop at the line, you're here first, no pedestrians. And this time it's a two-way. So you have to reach the yellow line and then turn. So you want to try not to cut through the yellow line. If you cut through the yellow line, you could fail your test for that. So you have to reach the line and then turn around the line. And we're going to do another two-way left turn here. Alright, so enter at 10 miles an hour, get to the center because it's a two-way. Quick circle. Alright. And start turning it back. Alright, and those are your basic left turns. We do have some more elaborate ones that we can get into later. You can just make this left here. But we'll cover those in another video when we get into more advanced stuff. Right? So again, this is Ikanke from IkankeLive Inc. doing business as Tramas Auto School. Signing off. Please remember, comment, ask questions, like, and subscribe. Take care.